Okay, now on my board, I've drawn the piano in two very different ways, okay? The top one is the way that you would see the piano when you're sitting, as I showed you in the last video. The bottom one is my way of drawing the piano, which is slightly easier than the first one, which takes a bit longer to draw. I'll explain what I just explained on the top one and then on the bottom one. Okay, so on this top piano, there's your piano, and you can draw it that way if you'd like. And this is what I explained before. There's all the white notes on the bottom, and on the top notes you can see the black notes. So from C to that top note, that becomes C sharp, then to D. All right, between C and C sharp, that's a semitone. From C sharp to D is a semitone. From D to D sharp, a semitone. From D sharp to E is a semitone. And then from E to F, since there's no black note, that's also a semitone. If we're going to go backwards, from F to E is a semitone. From E to E flat is a semitone. E flat to D is a semitone. D to D flat is a semitone. D flat to C is a semitone. But like I said, C sharp and D flat can be called the same thing. Understand? On the bottom piano, however, now this might just look like a couple of blades of grass, but actually for me this is slightly easier to draw than the top one. Every single point at the bottom, so there, it represents a white note. So C is there, D is there, E is there, F there. All the top points are all the semitones. So C is there, C sharp is there, D is there, D sharp is there, E is there, F is there, F sharp is there. Going back, F is there, E is there, E flat is there, D is there, D flat is there, and C is there. It's exactly the same as the top one, except all the black notes are represented by the peaks at the top, and all the white notes are represented by the troughs at the bottom. I think that this is a little bit easier to draw and takes a little bit less time than the top, but it works exactly the same. Easy way to remember it is that you do 2 loops, 1 straight line. 1, 2, 3, straight line. 1, 2, straight line. Then it'll be 1, 2, 3, another straight line. And that's how you remember. Hope this works, grade 8s. Good luck.